Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a little extra warmth, check out this all-in-one diesel heater from LF Bros. This is one of my husband's favorite new toys, so we personally use this in our ice hut and in our ice fishing tent. It's perfect for small spaces. It comes with two different ways to connect it, so you can connect it right into the wall with a plug-in, or you can connect it to a battery. This makes it so convenient for either right at home or when you're off-grid. It's really well constructed. It comes with everything you need, all the pieces. They go together well. They all have the little couplings to keep them in place. We attached it to a few pieces of wood so that it gave it a base and made it really easy to add the connectors underneath. The diesel goes in the top, you fire it up, and you're ready to go. It doesn't take long to heat up. I'd say within about 5 minutes, our ice hut is getting nice and warm. The only thing to remember, of course, is to put the exhaust outside, but other than that, it's really easy to use. And as you can see, it really blows the air. I also love how quiet it is. It's not distracting when you have it in your space. It comes with a remote, which has quite a long range. So as you can see, my husband is really far across the lake and it's still working to turn it on and off. It also has a built-in timer, so if you do want to pre-program it to come on or off at a certain time, you can. We've been really pleased with this little heater. It's very convenient. It works really well, and it's especially quiet, so it's exactly what we were looking for, and that's my point of view.